Welcome to Kids Storytime Book Club. Today we're reading aloud Skin Like Mine by Latashia and Perry, illustrated by Bea Jackson. Skin like mine is quite divine. In fact, I'd say it's one of a kind. I wouldn't trade for any other shade. I love my brown skin. Where do I begin? My sister and I are both shades of brown. Me like peanut butter, and she a hazelnut spread, both creamy and smooth. If I had to choose, it'd be hard for me, because both are so yummy. Skin like mine is really neat, sort of like a brownie treat. Dark chocolate brown, so tasty and sweet. I love my skin from head to my feet. When I look at Grandpa's skin, you know what comes to mind? Caramel. That's it, a touch of golden brown. Drizzled on top of your ice cream. Ooh-wee, this is making my tummy hungry. My best bud in the whole world, Sean, we're like cookies and cream. When we're together, our skin color doesn't mean a thing, because we know it's what's inside that matters the most. Color should never keep two people from being close. Imagine a world with one hue of colors. How boring that would be. I don't know about you, but I like variety. Like a bag of lollipops, each bringing a different splash of flavor to my mouth. If everyone was the same, wouldn't that be a shame? Skin like mine is quite divine. In fact, I'd say it's one of a kind. Thanks for reading with us, friends. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to find more exciting books with our channel.